Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 1.4. In previous video, we have already discussed about question number 1, 2 and 3. You can check it out. Okay. So let's discuss question number 4. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, C is equals to 5, 6, 7, 8 and D is equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 4 sets are given and we have to find the union between the sets. First of all, we have to find the union of A union B, C and B union C, B union D. So, first of all, you all know that what is the definition of union. If we have two sets A and B, then this union will contain those X which are either belongs to A or belongs to B, which are either in the first set or in the second set. That's all the elements are in the union. Okay, so first of all we will discuss question number part number 1, A union B. Okay, so what is A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find the union of these two sets. Okay, so this will contain those elements which are either in A or in B. Okay, so this will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, all the elements of A. Okay, here 3 and 4 are repeated, so we don't need to write 3 and 4. Okay, so we will write 5 and 6. So A union B is this. Second part is A union C. Okay, A union C. What is A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is C? C is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so if you have to find the union of A and C, you will simply write the elements of A and B. Okay, we can't repeat the elements. Okay, first of all we are writing the elements of A. Okay, after that we are writing the elements of B. Here we are writing all the elements because here no element is repeating. Okay, so let's discuss about third part, which is B union C. First of all, you must know what is B. B is this set 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and what is C? C is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so elements in B union C are which are either in B or in C. Okay, so we will write 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 5, 6 is repeated, so we can't write it 2 times. Okay, so we will skip these two elements and write 7 and 8. Let's discuss about question number 4, which is B union D. Okay, what is B? B is 3, 4, 5, 6 and we have to find the union of this with this set 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so which type of element this will contain? This will contain 3, 4, 5, 6, all the elements of B and all the elements of D. Okay, next one is A union B union C. We have to find the union of 3 sets. Okay, so we will write those elements. If you have to find the union of 3 sets, you will write those X which are either in A, B and C, which are in 3 sets. Okay, so what is A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4. What about B? This contains 3, 4, 5, 6. These 4 elements. Okay, and C contains 4 elements which are 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we have to find the union of this. First of all, we will write all the elements of A. Okay, and all the elements of B, but we will discard those elements which are repeating. So here we will not write 3 and 4. We will write only 5 and 6. What about C set? Here 5 and 6 is already included. So we will write 7 and 8 only. So A union B union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So what about part 6, which is A union B union D? Okay. So what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is B? 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is D? D is 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So in the union we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we have completed all the 6 part and 7 part is remaining. Okay. So students, try to do this and write your answer in the comment box. Okay. I'll check it out. Question number 5. We have to find the intersection of each pair of question 1 above. We have already discussed about question number 1. Okay. By using all the pairs of question number 1, we have to find the intersection. Okay. So here first part is x is equals to 1, 3, 5 and y is equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first of all, you all must know what is the definition of intersection. If we have two sets A and B, we can find the intersection as this will contain those elements which are in A and in B. Okay, which are in both the sets. Okay, the intersection will contain those elements which are in both the sets. Okay, so here x is 1, 3, 5 and y is 1, 2, 3. So in intersection we have only one common. So x intersection y is 1. Okay. So what about 2? We have to find the intersection of A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C. Okay. So which we have to write those elements which are common in A and B. Okay. So here A is common. So intersection will contain only one element. So what about part 3? Part 3, in part 3 we have to find the intersection of 3, 6, 9, all the multiples of 3 and all the numbers which are, all natural numbers which are less than 6. Okay. So in intersection we have only one element which is 3. Okay. What about part 4? A has 4 elements which are 2, 3, 4, 5. And in B we have 3 elements which are 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So in intersection we have no point in common. So this set will be 5. Okay. So what about 5th part? A intersection B. Means we have to find the intersection of 1, 2, 3 and 5. This will also be 5. Okay. Because there is no element which is common between A and B. Now let's discuss about question number 6, which is if A is equals to this, B is equals to this, C is equals to this and D is this. We have 4 sets are given. We have to find A intersection B. Okay, we know that in intersection we have those elements which are common in A and B. Okay, let's check here. 3 is here, 5 is here, but 3 and 5 are not present in B. Okay, but 7 is in both the sets. So in A intersection B, 7 will be included and 9 will also included and 11 will also included. What about 13? 13 is in B but not in A. So this will not be in the intersection. Okay. So what about B intersection C? We will find the common elements which are both in B and C. Okay. So 7 and 9 are in B but not in C. 11 is in A, in B also and C also, and 13 is also in both the sets. Okay. So what about the intersection of A, C and D? So we will write A contains 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection C have 3 elements which are 11, 13, 15, and D have 2 elements which are 15 and 17. Okay. First of all, we are going to check 15. 15 is in D, C, but not in A. So 15 will not be the set, not in the intersection. Also 17 will not be in the intersection. So this set will be 5. Okay. What about A intersection C? A contains 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 5 elements, and C contains 3 elements, 11, 13, 15. Okay. So in intersection we have these 4 elements are excluded because these are not in the other set. Okay. Here 11 is the only one which is in both the sets. Okay. So A intersection C is 11. What is B intersection D? B contains 7, 9, 11, 13, and D contains 15 and 17. If you have to find the intersection, so you can check that there is no point, no element common. So this will be also a 5 set. Okay. So here what about A intersection B union C? First of all, we will find the intersection or the union of B and C. Union means the elements which are either in A or in B. Okay. So we will write 7, 9, 11, 13 and all the elements of C. 11 is already written and 13 is also. So we will write only 15. Now we will find the intersection of A and C. So what is A? A has 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These 5 elements, and B union C have 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. These elements. Okay. So we will find the intersection of these two, means we will write those elements which are in both the sets. Okay. So 3, 5 is excluded. 7 is in both the sets, 9 and 11. So answer will be 7, 9 and 11. Okay. Let's discuss about part 7, which is A intersection D. Okay. What is A? A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. We have to find the intersection with C, which contains 3 elements, 11, 13, 15. Okay. So in intersection we have only one element, which is 11. Okay. So next is A intersection B union D. So what is A? A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. We have to find the intersection with the union of B and D. Okay. So what is B union D? This will contains all the elements of B and D. Okay. 15 and 17. So we have to find the intersection of these two. So in intersection 3 is excluded, 5 is excluded, 7 is in both the sets. So 7 is in the intersection, 9 is also, and 11 is also. So A intersection B union D is 7, 9, 11. What about this? First of all, what is A intersection B? Which points are common? Which elements are common in A and B? Which are 7, 9 and 11. Okay. In A intersection B, we have 3 points common, which are 7, 9, 11. We have to find the union with B union C. In B union C, we have 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay. We have to find the union of these two. Okay. So you must know about the definitions of union and intersection. Okay. If you are clear about the definitions, then you can easily do this type of questions. Okay. So we have to find the union. So in union we have all the elements in A and all the elements which are in second set. Okay. So this will be the answer. What about next part, which is 10th part? Okay. A union D. First of all, we have to find the union of A and D. This will contain 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. and in D we have 15 and 17. Okay. So what about B union C? This will contain 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay. B union C means all the elements which are in B also and C also. 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay. So what about the intersection of these two? We have to write those elements which are common in both the sets. First one is 7, second one is 9, 11 and 15. So intersection of A union D and B union C will be 7, 9, 11, 15. Okay. So that's all about this lecture. In the next video, we will discuss more questions of exercise 1.4. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.